Solange Knowles is back at it again with the Met Gala drama, only this time there was nobody physically harmed and absolutely no elevators were used in the making of this news report. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by Watchable. First it was Beyonce and Becky with the good hair, and now it's Solange and her accusation about some artsy rude celeb. We need answers, Knowles clan. Last night's Met Gala was full of fierce fashion, A-lister celebs, and of course, a few social media digs, this time courtesy of Solange Knowles. Solange attended last night's event donning a bright yellow gown, conveniently the color of a lemon. Come on, I had to go there. But it wasn't her ensemble that caused all the buzz. She later sent out a cryptic tweet referencing a celeb that obviously rubbed her the wrong way, writing, quote, "Shout out to when you think you're all artsy and shit, but you're just rude and annoying, LOL." And yes, let the guessing games commence. But luckily for us, Twitter got right into the investigation and began throwing out potentially annoying artsy candidates. First on the chopping block was none other than Taylor Swift, who attended the Met Gala in an edgy getup where she was also photographed making conversation with Solange and her sister Beyonce. The Twitter sphere also called out many other potentials, including Kim Ye, Jared Leto, and Katy Perry. And as I'm sure you all recall, this isn't the first time Solange has set the tabloids for a loop during the Met Gala, seeing that just 2 years ago was the whole Jay-Z elevator incident that first sparked infidelity rumors between Bey and Jay. This year, Jay skipped out on attending the event altogether. However, sources say the two are still doing just fine. But I'm so interested in hearing what you guys have to say about Solange's mysterious tweet, so be sure to get the conversation going right down here in the comment section below. And after that, don't forget to click right over here for more drama as Kris Jenner flips out on her ex, Caitlyn Jenner, during the Kardashians season 12 premiere. All this drama is making my head spin. So thanks for hanging out with me here on Clevver News. I'm your host, Meghan Lamontagne, and until next time, friends. And then click to the left to check out a brand new episode of Who Wore It Better on Dirty Laundry, and to the right to check out a new spray-on nails tutorial with the lovely Laura Marano. Check them out on Watchable.com or download the free Watchable app on iOS, Android. Watchable is the new way to discover incredible video curated in daily playlists. Whether you're looking for web series, comedy, style, and food, extreme sports, or the latest movie trailers, Watchable has what you're looking for.